How to set a song as a ringtone on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set a song as your ringtone on Android phone. So without further ado, let's get started. But first, make sure that you have audio file downloaded on your device. And with this, let's open the settings. And once you have opened the settings, simply scroll down and tap on sound and vibration. And under this section, you can see the option label ringtone. So simply tap on it. And once you see the interface like this, simply tap on the option labeled choose local ringtone. And after tapping on that, you'll be provided with the three options. You can simply choose any option where your audio files is located. For this video, I'm going to simply tap on music. And after tapping on music, you'll see the list of audio files. So simply browse your files and select the song that you want to use. And once you selected it, simply tap on OK shown in the top right corner of the screen. It will be added to your ringtone list. And now to set this song as your ringtone, you simply need to tap on apply beside it. And after tapping on that, confirm it by tapping on OK again. And that's it. Now you have successfully set a song as a ringtone on your Android phone. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.